Alam nyo ba na hydration is life para sa ating mga pusa? Doc Aid here, let's talk about it. When it comes to your pet's hydration levels, ito ay nakakatulong sa kanilang body temperature regulation, digestion, at sa kanilang everyday functionality. So how do we help our feline friends? Dapat we offer wet food to our fur babies. Kailangan mataas at may added hydration ang kanilang kinakain. Second advice, kailangan po you provide water fountain sa kanilang food area. Dahil ang mga pusa kasi may trust issue na yan pagdating sa kanilang stagnant water. They prefer clean and moving water. And my last advice is to visit your vets regularly. With these advices, I hope I can help and guide you to give your cats the life that they deserve. Tandaan, ang aid ng inyong mga alaga